that puppy. Mom, I want that puppy. And then I this puppy. Someone's pooping.
No, they're not.
Someone's pooping.
Can you wash your puppy, please? Here, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Rinse the puppy. No. Hold it like this. Wash your puppy, Gideon. Nope. What did we just do? What did we just do?
We bathed the puppy.
And how did it go? Good. So, what did you say you need? What do you need me to get? You think they're cold? You don't think they just didn't like the bath? Puppy needs a blanket. And he's cold. He's all wet now. Yeah, I'll snuggle that puppy.
I'm so done.